Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Sheets API for automated reporting step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, if prompted. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking on the project dropdown and selecting New Project. Enter a name for your project and click Create. With the new project selected, go to the API and Services menu on the left. Select Library from the submenu. In the API library, search for Google Sheets API. Click on the Google Sheets API result. Then, click the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Next, go to Credentials in the API and Services menu. Click on Create Credentials at the top of the page. Choose Service Account from the options provided. Fill in the service account name and description, then click Create. In the next step, you can assign roles if necessary, but skip this for now and locate the newly created service account in the list and click on it. In the Details page, go to the Keys section. Click on Add Key and select JSON from the dropdown. This will generate a JSON file containing your service account credentials. Download the JSON file and store it securely. Now, open your Google Sheets where you want to automate reporting. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email address associated with your service account. Make sure to give it editor access, then click Send. Now, you are ready to script your automated reporting using the Google Sheets. Install the Google Client Library for your programming language if you haven't done so already. Use the JSON file you downloaded to authenticate your requests to the Google Sheets API. Follow the API documentation to pull data and automate your reporting tasks. You are now fully set up to use the Google Sheets API for automated reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.